A Tesla Cybertruck FSD was seen confidently driving around an accident, reacting fast without hesitation. The incident happened in Mexico, where at an intersection two cars collided. Almost like FSD works when dropped into a different country. The Cybertruck is very brave. It goes around an accident without hesitation and with very little room to pass. How could it understand so quickly that those cars were not going to move for a while? A human would have stopped until he understood what was happening. The FSD probably recognized that it's an accident, slows down and makes the turn smoothly, which is very good. It's just a matter of time before FSD matches human-level decision-making. The FSD will obviously surpass the average human driver's ability by a wide margin.